Oh, you know what? Hold on, hold on. I will be right back because I'm on Wi-Fi and not plugged in to the Cat 6. So, hold on. Okay, I'm back. All right. Um, welcome to the stream. Oh, you know what? I'm actually ahead. So, 2 minutes of BRB, that's fine, right? That's okay. I hope that it can connect using the LAN connection or using the hardwired connection. Yeah, I hope it doesn't just use the... We'll find out. Whatever. Okay, so I have done nothing. I have not done anything since last time, which last time... let's see. Oh, I'm still logged into... Oh, no, I'm not. Okay. Okay. Okay, let me just log in and then I'll refresh real quick. Let's see, what did I do last time? What did I sign in? Is it GitHub? Okay, yeah, it is. Alright. I should be logged in now, right? There we go. Okay. Alright. Oh, you know what? Yeah, okay. Oh man, render doesn't have a dark mode. Okay, let's look. Let us look at this. Oh, I had a logout. Oh, that's cool. So let me see. Did I do that login? Hey, that's cool. You know what I did though? I will do this just to test out the I just want to test out the asset compilation. Oh, you know what? That's actually... Is that running? Docker Compose? Yes, it is. Okay, so I'm going to add just like a very jank dark mode. So I think this is gonna work. I think it's fine. Let me see. So this, I don't need that. I don't need that either. Okay, so a lot of these styles are unused, but what are you gonna do? Should really figure out like a tailwind JIT style situation, but you know, whatever. Okay, so let me see. I should probably switch this stream to crypto because clearly no one cares about anything else except for making money with crypto recently. So I'm just looking at this because I look at this all the time. This is ridiculous. Yes. Oh, you know what? There was one on here that got delisted. That's hilarious. Alright, let me turn this music down a little bit. There we go. Well, that was a weird sound. Huh. Whatever. Okay. Alright. Man, it's crazy to be started right on time. It's madness. Okay, so this is localhost, right? Okay, looks the same. Looking good. You know what? Let me move this in OBS real quick. There we go. Okay, let me see. Okay, I think I need to add something to the layout. Oh, you know what? This is horrible. I need to ignore something. Let me see. What am I ignoring? Let me bring up Docker Compose in this other one. So you can see what I'm doing in the terminal. Okay, let me see. Vim. Oh, you know what? Yeah. Let me look at this. Bin. Okay, so this is clearly not working. RG ignore. Bin. Public. Okay, let me try that. Okay, so that's not working either. Control P ignore. Let's see, config, nvim init. Definitely want to ignore bin. Let's do bin. Yeah, I'm not actually sure how this works. Maybe I'll do that bin. Okay, let me try this now. I think I have to restart this, maybe? Let me see. Oh my gosh. No, I didn't do anything. Cool. Great. That's amazing. Okay, let me try this. Wow, that's a lot. You know what? That's probably better. It's still bad, but what are you gonna do? Okay, so this, I need to go to layout, which bundle cache is supposed to be ignored. Oh my gosh. It is crazy because Control P Vim is supposed to ignore the git ignore. Am I crazy? Bundle cache, right? This maybe bin. Maybe I thought they were. Let's just do public assets. Yeah, maybe it thought they were. Let's see. Actually, can you see that second one? Yeah, you can. Okay. Okay. Oh, that is annoying. Whatever. Wow. Wow. Actually, you know what? I have to fix this. I have to fix this right now. Control P Vim. Git ignore. Yeah, this is crazy. Oh, wow. That's pretty cool. Git ls. Okay. Oh, do I not have this? Control P, control let the, okay, do I not have that? Let me make this a little bigger. There we go. Yeah, I mean, the stream seems pretty stable if it is using Wi-Fi, but whatever. Okay, so I have language client server commands. I have a bunch of stuff, but I do not have that. Let G. Deoplete. Yeah, I tried a bunch of stuff. I'm not sure if any of it's working. Okay, let me see. Control P user command. Okay. Alright, let me see. Oh, okay, so this got 20 upvotes, so let me just do that. Okay, let me put that in there. At the end, there we go. We will do it one more time. Oh my gosh. What if I just restart the whole thing? Okay, let me reset it so you can see it. Editor. Okay, you can see it now. Oh, that worked. Yes, perfect. Amazing. All right. Now I'm back in it. Okay, let me see. Layout. Yes, exactly. Man, it's crazy when stuff works. I can't complain about it. It's like, oh, that worked. Whatever. Okay, let me see. Okay, I'm gonna say dark BG gray 800. And let's see. Ooh, that looks much better. Much better. Yes. Okay. Yes, perfect. Let's look at sign up. Should be similar. Yes. Okay, cool. So let me log in here. Oh, that's not good. Got mail. This needs to be dark text white. Okay. And then I might as well, you know what? I might as well say dark text white, right? Might as well. Okay, cool. So log in. Sweet. I'm logged in. The menu is not looking great. You know what? Let me see. Dark text white. Is that gonna carry through? No, it will not. Great. Dark text white. Okay. Otherwise, I feel like it should be text grade 100, right? Yeah, that's probably right. Let me switch dark mode. Okay, cool. Where do I switch dark mode? Was this it? No. Is that it? No. Is this? Oh, there we go. Yeah, I don't want that to be text. I probably want it to be indigo 500 actually. Hold on, let me see. Hopefully no one can see this. Okay, yeah, perfect. Okay. text. I probably want to text Indigo 500. I love how I just going back in time. There we go. Okay, text Indigo 500. Okay, that's more like it. Although I want this to be a link, so maybe I don't want this. There we go. Let me turn on dark mode. Yes, I could probably just not do that anymore and just say link. Okay. Yeah, maybe, no, that's probably fine. I mean, it is dark, like very dark, but for now, it's probably fine. Okay, cool. So I am logged in. There is a menu. One thing about the menu is that it should have a max width of large, maybe. Oh my gosh. I should really access. Okay, yes. Let me see. Oh, you know what? That's the wrong. This one. Max width empty. MX auto. Okay, let me do I like large better? Yeah, large is better, I guess. And then when you, that's fine. Okay, cool. So when you're logged in, I think you want to, if current user, else, and, do I want to redirect from home though? Or do I want to just say, I'm not sure what I want to do actually. I feel like if I'm logged in, you still might want to see the home page, but maybe if you click the link, this will take you to current user. This will take you to current user. Somewhere else. Auctions maybe. Auctions path maybe. Is that a path? Is that a thing? No. Path. Auctions. Actions? Actions? Auctions. Okay. Alright, where am I? Auctions. Oh, that is a thing. R dot on auctions. R dot is. Okay. What does auctions look like? Auctions. Oh, it just has H1 auctions. Okay, so if I refresh, it takes you to auctions. Perfect. I probably want this to be like a max width 2 large, I probably don't want to put this on every single one. So I probably, in layout, probably just want to, what did I do? Okay. Let's see, layout. I probably want something else besides this. Yield. If current use, actually, I'll just put it all max width. What is LG? Yeah. New. Okay, so that's not doing anything. That's great. Oh, you know what? Because it's not centered. Okay, that's much better. I like that better. Okay, this has a padding though. Padding of 4. You know what? I'm just gonna move this yield into that. Just so it's like, yes. Oh, you know what? I can't do that. Because that has a current user. Yeah. For now, I'll just, yeah. Max with large, oops, cello. Max auto, do. chatting for. Okay, that looks much better. Lined up, looking good. Now what do I want to do? Oh, I want to make a migration. Migrations 003 create table something. Create table auctions or B. There it is. Let me just copy this. Create table auctions. Let me look at the roadmap. I have. Oh, it's called auction items. I'm just gonna call it auctions. Let's see. ID, name, image, details, started at, user ID, winning bid ID, views timestamps. I'll just copy this. Man, I wish I was using SQLite. Not that it matters, I guess. Whoops. Okay. This is a string. Do you want to name an auction? Sure, why not? This is also a string. Details is a string. Started at string. User ID. Actually, that's not a string. This is a date time. I just got a little carried away there. Oh, user ID. It's probably an integer. Winning bid ID. Also an integer. Winning. Oh, that actually auto-completed. It was decomplete's working a little bit. Views. Wait, what's views? Oh, yeah, that's an integer. I'll call that view count. Or number, or num views. Oh, maybe I'll just say views. Yeah, that's confusing though with the plural. I'll just say view count. Num views. I'll just say view count. Count view count. That's fine. Doesn't matter. Okay, date time. Updated at. Created at. And the SQL plugin handles the stuff. Primary key. Wait, what? 001. Oh, create a primary key. Oh, they're just all off. Okay. I was like, why does this look bad? Okay, there it is. Okay, let me see. String name. I don't really care, right? What the name is? It's probably fine. It's probably fine. Actually, SQL migrations. How do you do like a foreign key? Foreign. Okay. Alter table. Create. Foreign. I don't want to alter table. Add foreign key. That is not what I want. I just want a foreign key. Create table. Create join table. Create view. Add column. Index. Add foreign key. Add column. Okay. Oh, here we go. Index. Oh man, it's not really helping me. Schema modification guide, maybe? Okay. Okay. Column types. Column options. This must be how you do it, maybe? Type. Oh. Overrides the type given as the method name. Not usually, but often foreign key. What if I just say foreign key? Oh, see, there it is. Okay. Foreign key. User ID. Users. Man, this is hard to look at. Now that I'm looking at this. Also note that is only none of yours, but really, in other SQL uses the type specified verbatim. Yeah. Yeah, because this is like lowercase now. I don't know, whatever. Let's see, integer. Okay, daytime, good. This is null, false, default 0. This is that could be null. What else was on the roadmap? Bids, favorites. Okay, this is probably good. Let me see. You know what? Oh man, you know why I'm in Ruby? Because I can do easy direct Ruby rack direct S3 upload. Yes. Actually, you know what? Yeah, does render have something for this? What do they have? What do they have? Disks. Quota guard. Okay. Regions, Docker custom domains, redirects, rewrites. No, they don't. They don't have. They got disks, but what is it? What is it for though? Right. File system ephemeral, applications persisted, infrastructure with databases, Redis, MySQL, MongoDB, blogging platforms, render services can be used. Okay. So yeah, there's probably a because you do what the heck is Shine? Wait, Shrine? Oh yeah, perfect. This is perfect. Yes, this is exactly what I wanted. They're still working on it, huh? Oh, this is cool. They even have SQL in here. It's perfect. What's up, Matt? What's going on? Include shrine attachment image. Oh, I even called mine image. Oh, that's perfect. And process them eagerly or on the fly. I don't know if I care to make a thumbnail, but it's nice to know. It's nice to know that you can. Yeah, this is cool. Okay. Gem shrine. Well, I'll do that in a second. Okay. So I'm just gonna make a form. This is the most boring thing ever. Forms are boring, but that's how you get data into the database. Oh, I should really switch to blockchain. All right, let me see. Oh, you know what I was looking at today? I really like this little guy, Ren. I love the name of it. I love how it starts with a W. I love the way it looks. Like, it looks so good. Yeah, this is so good. It's I don't care if it's fast, but it looks cool. Tree walk interpreters, Ruby and earlier. The interpreter you wrote for class in college. Bytecode interpreters, statically typed, JIT. So this thing, most languages aren't suitable. Servers are one exception. You throw more hardware. Second button, even a client. Assess this, blah, blah. Ren is in the second bucket. Bytecode interpreters. Yeah, so I think it has like a VM too. Do you happen to know what temp your MacBook is running at? It's hot. It's super hot. MacBook temperature. Let me see. How to check temperature on a Mac. Okay, here we go. Or if it has fans running, restart the Spotlight is indexing. How do you check the temperature? Here we go. Temperature monitor. Temperature. Is that a thing? Oh. Applications. That is not a thing. What the heck is the last campfire? What the heck? What is this? I don't even know what that is. What the heck? Is this a game? Oh, geez. Oh no, I just opened this thing that you cannot see. Oh, my frames are gonna start dropping so quick. Oh, jeez. Okay, let me close that. Wow, that was bad. I guess it was a game. That's weird. iStat menus. Is there not anything in utilities? Temperature. System information. Hardware. Yeah, that's annoying. Alright, let me just finish my Google search. Let me see. What temperature is my Mac? Oh, CH-RON. I'll just do Reddit. Okay. Temperature monitor. Oh, it's a separate app. Okay. There it is. Yeah, how do you check? Does it tell you an activity monitor? No. iStat menus. Alright, well, maybe I'll get that. iStat menus. Django. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. That's really something. Sorry. I'm just trying to get this thing. Okay. Oh man, you had to buy it. 6 months of weather data. What? That's confusing. Oh, it's like a bigger thing than just temperature. Oh, I see. You put it in the little thing. Okay, let me see. Open source Mac temperature doc. Let me see. Here we go. Temperature. Okay. Fanny, monitor your Mac's fan speed from your notification center. I can live with that. Fanny widget. Actually, this is probably gonna kill my Mac. Let me read the issues. I can't see the temperature. Can't see the temperature. I have the same issue on the same device. Not working for M1. I don't have an M1, so there it is. Download. It's free. Oh, a set app. Yeah, $10 a month. Yeah. Yeah, maybe I should do set app. I don't know. I should pay for more software. I'm so cheap. This is why I'm like the worst software engineer. I never pay for software. Okay. There we go. I always want to like, oh, you know what? Cancel. I always want to just, oh, there we go. Perfect. Got it. I always just want to like either build it or find something that's free and open source. It's terrible. Okay, my Mac is currently, the CPU is at 75 degrees Celsius and the GPU is at 68 degrees Celsius. There it is. OBS takes it takes a ton. It takes a ton of like, yeah, the fan is constantly running while OBS is open. 150 when on my stand and connected to my monitor. Oh yeah, the monitor, dude. The monitor that's something. Yeah. Oh, now my CPU is 73 Celsius and 68. It's 90 degrees. So the same as yours. Oh yeah, I don't have them. Oh yeah. Oh, you're talking about Fahrenheit. Oh yeah. Why is it in Celsius? Can I put it in Fahrenheit? Okay. Refresh interval. Let's just do like 30 seconds. CPU temperature. Oh wow, mine's super hot. Mine's 165. Oh no, that's not good. That's the average across all cores. Oh no, the GPU is 155. Safe range for MacBook temperature. Maybe I shouldn't stream. I was thinking about just trying to do YouTube videos, but it would be like educational, like this is how you do this. Use your Mac notebook where the ambient temperature is between 50 and 95. Don't leave here because temperatures. We should also relatively humidity, blah, blah, blah. That stinks. That stinks. 50 to 95 is normal operating temp. Oh man. That's not good for me. Oh, you can. You could do it. Oh my gosh, you could do it for free in the terminal. Are you kidding? What does it say? Oh, that's just the brand. Oh, he's just seeing what the specifications. Oh, you can H-top? Are you serious? You can monitor the temperature with H-top? Get out of here. Really? Let's try. Whoops, that's not what I wanted. Oh, you know what? Let me get Vim. Ambient, not the internal. Yeah. Oh, that ambient. I don't know what that means. That's good. That's a good. I always I don't really internalize these things. Ambient, immediate surroundings. Oh yeah. I mean, it's hot to the touch, but it's not like gonna burn my fingers off or anything. Yeah. So I don't think it's horrible. Yeah. It's definitely like probably closer to like 80 something on the metal. But yeah. Let me see. H top. But yeah, it's what does it say? Let's see. Does it tell you the temperature? I don't know if H-top tells you the temperature. I don't know about that. Look at all those cores. My goodness, like my computer's way better than any server I've ever paid for. Oh, you know what? Speaking of servers, how can you do it with H-top? I'm super confused. H-top, CPU temp. Yeah, my internal temperature is 167. Monitoring CPU and temp. P sensor. Oh, apparently they mean just for Linux. Anyway, it's cool to see H-top though. Man, I should just run a server on my laptop. It's like way more powerful than any of these like dumb cloud servers. I love how like we were like, oh, we have these mainframes and they have all the power and the client devices are so weak, and now you can get really good like phones and they're super powerful. Like my phone is way better at running a server. Well, I don't know about running a server, but it's way better at like, it has more memory and everything than these dumb cloud machines, virtual machines. Anyway, oh yeah, speaking of servers, what's that quote? If you love software, you make your own hardware or something. Has a Linux. Dude, I'm not surprised by that. I'm not surprised that your phone has a Linux thing. Samsung Lex. Wait, what the? Okay, that's not what I wanted. Samsung. Is that a thing? Did you mean? No. Samsung. Is it? What's a Lex? Samsung. You mean like a Flex? Oh, Dex. Okay. Let me see. Dex mode. Oh, device mode. Oh, wow. You could. Oh my gosh. You can run you can power an external monitor from your phone. Jeez, look at this guy. He's in a meeting. Oh, this is cheesy stock photography if I've ever seen it. Yeah, that's cool though. That's pretty cool. This is pretty. Oh, come on. Got the pen and everything. Yeah, no, I have an iPhone. You know, I'm like all Apple all the time. I don't venture into the Samsung world. Although this is bad. Like these renderings are terrible. And the phone uses as well, so just move the dongle over. So nice. Yeah, no, that's cool. It's definitely cool. That's pretty cool. I mean, that's the future, you know? I'm going back to iPhones next. Not worth it. Oh, Android. That's the problem, though, you know? Like, you can put a skin on it. You could try to lock it down, but at the end of the day, it's Android. Always be Android. All right, what was I doing? Yeah. Oh, I was gonna say, yes. I got a Raspberry Pi 4. What was I? Oh, I was looking up the quote. If you love software, make it hardware. Who said it? Alan Kay, right? Who that was a long time ago. Oh, Steve Jobs said it too. Let's look.
Now, you know,
Oh my goodness.
one of
Hang on, let me turn off this music.
the pioneers of our industry, Alan Kay, has had a lot of great quotes throughout the years. And I ran across one of them recently that explains how we look at this, explains why we go about doing things the way we do, because we love software.
We love software.
And here's the quote. People who are really serious about software
serious.
should make their own hardware. You know? Alan said this 30 years ago, and this is how we feel about it. And so we're bringing breakthrough software to a mobile device for the first time. It's 5 years ahead of anything on any other phone.
Was it 5 years ahead? What's funny is when the iPhone first came out, I was not into it. I got just a crappy LG something, and then it was before the 3G, and then I was like, I'll just get the iPhone, and I've been getting iPhones ever since. Yeah, I just, everything Apple makes, like, I hate Apple, but I love them at the same time. So yeah, the Raspberry Pi 4, this is sick. Like 8 gig. Okay, so I was like, you know what? How do I given the whole Spectre thing, and like there's a new Spectre thing that happened, you know, these cloud machines, they suck. Like, it's a dirty hack. They're just giving you like tiny machines so you can run software. So I think I was super excited about my TV phone when iPhones came out. LG TV. I might have got the same phone. Let me see. Oh no, I didn't get it. I got the no, not that one. I got which one did I get? I can't remember. It was something. It was like this. It was like the chocolate. I think it was the chocolate. I think I had the first gen chocolate. Maybe? I can't remember honestly. But yeah, it was a piece of garbage. Sidekick. I never had a sidekick. I was never cool enough to have a sidekick. But yeah, I was never cool enough. That didn't work. But yeah, this Raspberry Pi, 8 gigs of RAM. I'm like, look at Vulture. Look at this. What is this? Let's see, how's the stream doing? Oh, it's still good. It's still green. That's good. Let's see. I went to Bare Metal, right? Bare Metal, right? $120 a month. Why do I remember that? Yeah, I'm not sure. This Sidekick, let me see. It was an LG? No, it was just a T-Mobile, right? It was a T-Mobile branded thing, wasn't it? Oh, I was going on with the Q. Oh my gosh. Oh, you know what? Let me just look at images. What do I have with the Q? Was it T-Mobile? Yeah. Dude, that's sick. You know what though? There's something about that. The physical keyboard, it slides like that clicking. That's the shibboleth for Ruby. What's the shibboleth? What is that? Let me see. It is distinguishes people of one group or class from those of another. A custom or tradition. You're talking about, oh, Sidekick, yeah, with the Q. Yeah, I know. Jeez, that's bad. But yeah, the Sidekick phone. I mean, look at this thing. Look at it. It's actually, it looks good. Spell Sidekick. Yeah, that's true. That should be an interview question. How do you spell Sidekick? And it's a trick question. It's like, is it Sidekick or is it with a Q? Okay, if it's with a Q, you're hired. You're hired. And you're fired, then you're hired again. But yeah, Raspberry Pi. So I got this, and I got a 480 gig solid state drive. This one right here. Kingston SATA 3, 2.5 internal, even though it has like a plastic enclosure. But so I just got it, and I'm gonna plug it into the Pi, and that is gonna be my server. And the 8 gig Pi is like $75. So 75 plus 50, that's 125 before taxes. But that's 1 month of dedicated cloud hosting on Vulture. Like, what am I doing? What am I doing? Right? What am I doing? Single tenant, dedicated servers. I mean, sure. So it's the same SSD. It's 480 gigs of solid state, right? It's got this weird processor. I don't care, but it should be an ARM processor. It gives you 4 cores and 8 threads. That's pretty beefy, and it gives you 32 gigs of memory. But do I have the hardware? Do I own it? No, I don't. The next month I'm gonna have to pay $120. If anything, what I could do is buy 4 8-gig Raspberry Pis, put them in a thing until your residential provider, until you're hosting websites. Dude, they're not gonna find out. They're not gonna find out. Like, the reason they're not gonna, I actually used to do this. I did this on I have it right here. I have a Raspberry Pi. I don't know if you can see that. I have a Raspberry Pi Model B, Raspberry Pi 3 Model B, and I was running Janet. I was running Janet on this, and no one cared because I don't get any traffic. So yeah, and the thing about it is you don't actually need a static IP, so they won't know, right? They don't know because I'm gonna use Cloudflare for dynamic DNS, and that's free. You can get that for free, and every time your IP changes from the router, it just updates your DNS records automatically in Cloudflare. I probably shouldn't be talking about this on the stream. I feel like this is like borderline illegal or something, but it's weird because how is that wrong? I feel like we should decentralize the internet, right? I feel like this is the right thing to do. Anyway, yeah, so that's a lot. So yeah, it's cool because it's sweet. It's just sweet. I'm gonna have SQLite. I'm gonna have Doku running on that thing, and Doku. I was like, oh, I wish I could run Doku on the Pi, and I can, because what I can do is I can install via other methods, Docker based. So you put Docker in Docker. You put Doku, it's running in Docker, and then you push to the Docker container. Oh man. What does it say? Don't be suspicious. Dude, it's true though. It's true. Yeah, I should put that on the thing. Yeah, it's true. I mean, I love that guy. I love Parks and Rec, dude. Such a good show. Man, it's such a good show. I like that guy, John Ralphio, but I also like dang it, who's that guy? He was like, oh, my body's like a microchip or something. He's like an old dude, but he's like really in good shape or something. I forget who that was, but yeah, that's funny. It's true though. It is a little I probably shouldn't be talking about it on the stream, but that is my plan. Dynamic DNS. Oh geez, sorry, I just dropped my phone. Sorry, because what? Okay. Dynamic DNS. Chris Traeger. Yes, let's look that up. Chris Traeger. Was that his name? Oh, in the show. Yeah, in the show. Yes. Yeah, that's him. That's him right there. Yep. I don't know if I could show a clip from the show without getting copy struck. I feel like there's automated software that, like, if I post this to YouTube, it'll probably copy strike me if I play this clip. But yeah, this that guy's so funny. The whole show is like, it's so funny. Like, it's actually to me, it's almost better than The Office. Which you know what? I'm not gonna add Winnie Bid right now. I'm not gonna do that. I have to do that later because it's like a reverse foreign key or something. I don't know. Yeah, but yeah, that's a good show. It's a great show. What was I just? Oh. This music really calmed me down. I'm gonna listen to this. Okay. What was I doing? Anyway, so I'm super excited to get my Doku running in Docker, running on my Raspberry Pi, and it's bare metal. So I'm not gonna have, well, it's not bare metal, it's in Docker, but still, it's my hardware. I own it, And I'm helping to decentralize the internet instead of using like the same data centers over and over again. That's cool. Okay. Let me see if I can get this form going. Let me see if I can stay focused long enough to get this form going. Okay, so this looks fine. I don't know, whatever. Let's just migrate. How do I migrate again? Oh yeah, DCR web rake TV migrate. Is that right? Is that right? Rake file? Yes. It's gotta run in the stupid container. Oh wow, look at that. That definitely failed. Relation users already exists. Yes? Oh. It'd be nice if I called it the right name. Okay. Alright. Okay, that worked. So I'm going to make a form. I'm going to make a view. Oh, it's an app. App, views, auctions, new. Oh, it's a plane. Okay, let me see. Oh my gosh, 917. Okay, this is coming down to the wire. Oh, that's not gonna help me. Auctions, new. Let me go to sign up. I feel like that's a good starting point. Flex center, yes. Sign up path. Okay, this is perfect. Yeah, you know what? Yeah, why did I put a beachy white? Does it matter? I don't know if that matters. Okay, I'm just gonna try to get an auction in here. Migrations. Oh, I have the annotate gem, don't I? SQL annotate. Yes, I do. Annotate. Oh. Okay. That is not what I wanted. Oh, I'm not even in the. Not even the stupid thing. ls bin? Annotate? Is that a thing? No. How did. SQL annotate. How does it work? Gem install, SQL annotate. SQL annotate, this old pan to replace the schema comment. Oh, so it should be there now, right? Oh, I don't have a model. Oh, jeez. All right, touch models. Oh, app models. What I can auction? Okay. Let me see. Models. Oh, is there a rake task for? Oh, is it? Oh yeah, look at that. I don't have the model though. I still need the model. Models, auction, class, user. Yep. Oh wow. Okay, look at that. Auction. I don't need any of that. I don't need that either. Many to one. User. User has one too many. Auctions. Okay. Let me do rake db annotate. Oh my gosh. Rake file. What does it say? What does it say? Oh, I'm not in the thing. DCR web rake db annotate. Yeah, so I was using this Docker. It's annoying. It's super annoying. But I think I've been led astray by the Docker people because to get like security, I should just make a new user on the Mac and just use that user instead of using like admin all the time. And I think I can just run straight on disk. I think that'll do it. I think that'll be fine. I'm pretty sure anyway. I feel like that'll be okay. Log out. Log out. Oh, you know what? Let's not do that. Href. This is a link. It is new functions path. Yeah. Maybe it should. I don't know. Okay. Yeah, just as an example, right? Like, I don't know if Bundler runs like Ruby code after a gem gets installed. I mean, I'm probably overthinking this, but especially if you run npm definitely does this. At least it used to. It would have a post install step that you can. It does anything, and then if you think about this, right? You open up terminal, you type you make like a quick Ruby script, right? Like this, like let's say you do like just like test RB, right? And then you say, you know what? I'm gonna read from the local file system, and I'm gonna read AWS credentials, right? And I'm going to just output that, right? This works, and there's no permissions. Like, you're executing it, I'm executing it on my Mac. It's got, the terminal has full, it doesn't have full disk permissions, but it also doesn't have any, it doesn't have any restrictions either. So like, theoretically, if you use a gem that you thought you could trust, right? And then you require it, but in the require, it like does other stuff. Like, I'm gonna read the credentials, and then I'm gonna like send them, right, to wherever, like my nefarious thing or whatever, right? So it's like, this is definitely possible. In fact, there was the thing with Ruby gems, malware, right? I googled it like a million times. So yeah, like this is not like a weird thing that like never happens. You know, these are pretty sketch looking things. Like, but imagine if it wasn't sketch, or imagine if it was a real gem, right? And we all know open source people are poor, right? They're not making any money. So someone comes along and says, hey, I want to continue your great open source work. You're doing such a great job. You know what? And I want to be the maintainer so bad that I will literally pay you money to take over your project. And then that person would be like, heck yeah, I'll take $1,000 or whatever, right? So now it's just like Chrome extensions, right? You have someone who used to be the owner, but now there's a new owner. They add some weird code, and like, I'm not auditing all the GitHub commits. Like, I know you can see it, but like, I'm not actually looking at, like, Roda's huge, right? Like, I trust Jeremy Evans only because he seems like a trustworthy guy. But he's not the only one committing. He accepts pull requests, right? Which is like, I don't like pull requests anymore, only because of this whole security thing. The software industry is like so much bigger now that there's bad actors, right? So if you require a bad Ruby gem that has been taken over and it now has like bad code in it, and you're running as admin, you're just like, your stuff is gonna get jacked. Like, the only non-Jarrett added meth. Oh, is that what it said? Let me see. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. It's like, what even is this? I don't even know. What the heck is logger meth? That's what I'm saying. Like, I mean, yes, you can see all the changes, but I'm not going to sit here and audit every single change. So I will say, okay, in this world of like a lot of dependencies, that's the thing that will get you owned, right? So yeah, there's tons of open source malware now. This is like a real thing. So yeah, I think about this all the time. Like, how can I sandbox this stuff? I don't know. I'm probably overthinking it, but that is one thing about Janet, is that I wrote the whole stack, like from top to bottom. So it was all my code. I didn't have to do any auditing. Or even if I did, right? Like, I would use this guy's URL parser, which was insane. And I did not want to do that. I did not want to write this. It's two files, a C file, which is not super long, and then it's like a URI file, which is Janet, which is also not crazy. It's just a peg. So that is one thing that Lisp has going for it. Everything's so like dense and like short that you could technically audit everything. But yeah, for Ruby and like class-based things, I don't know. It's tough. But yeah, so I'm paranoid. I don't. You don't really. It's probably not gonna happen to anyone or you. But yeah, I don't know. Whatever. So yeah, just if you use a user with less permissions, it's just like on the server, right? That's probably fine. Especially because I'm running like a bunch of weird stuff, and I don't want to use Docker. Like, I understand Docker now, but I really don't want to use it. It kind of sucks. So yeah, I think running as an unprivileged user, and then there's also this thing on Mac called Sandbox Exec, which I'm super interested in. It's not, yeah, see, look at this. But it has like a weird Lisp thing, and you can deny all permissions to a running thing, and then you run sandbox exec -f, and you give it this configuration, and it only has access to the things that you give it, which is crazy. I love this, and I love that it's Lisp. I love it. So yeah, I definitely want to start doing this for sure to get around having to use dumb Docker. So yeah, I'll probably have like, you can access things only in your like immediate directory, because your code, it doesn't need to access things outside of that, and it also doesn't need to be able to send HTTP requests to things that you don't know about. So I don't know. I'm just paranoid. I'm super paranoid about security. I should go into security. I should go into that as a field. I should stop programming and just start hacking things. All right, what was I doing? Oh yeah, auctions. Auctions new. Oh, I was gonna do the path. Oh my gosh, 928. Jeez. All right, let me see. New auctions path. Do I like that? New auctions? No, I don't like that. Auctions new. Auction. Oh my gosh, I cannot spell auctions. There we go. Auctions new path. Whoa, this is funky. That was sounding suspiciously like copyrighted music. Auctions new. Okay, let's see. Auctions new. Okay. Auctions new path. Wait, can I just? Oh no, I can't. Oh, you know what? The DOP thing's working a little bit. That's not bad. So at least trying to autocomplete. Oh, I ran the annotate thing. Did I run that? Models auction. Oh my gosh. Did I? Did it not work? It was running, right? Running 1 of 0. Rake annotate, right? Okay. Did I E? No. What the heck? Oh, geez, I just quit. I just quit Vim. Okay. Can you still see that? Yeah. Oh, nope, you cannot. Jeez. All right. There we go. Let me see. Yeah, the annotate thing is definitely broken. Carrying growth, SQL annotate. And I can just run models RB, right? Oh, models app. There we go. Because Rake is in the root. Okay, great. Amazing. Uninitialized thing auction. Okay. Did I not do the migration? I did, right? Create table auctions? Am I crazy? Okay. Uninitialized constant auction. But why? Why? Rake file? Carrier growth, require relative at model. Doesn't model require, oh no. How do you do that where you require everything? Is it job? No. Is it mailer? No, you could just loop through, right? I think, let me just Google. Require all files, there we go. Ruby. There we go, look at that, perfect. So I'll just change the model for now. Until I get a weird error, and then I'll have to change the rest of them. App models, blam. Okay, let me see. Actually, you know what? Because I'm in models now, right? I'm in app already. .rb, dir.rb, require, perfect. Let's try it. There we go. Is it gonna work? Is it gonna work? It didn't work. Maybe I do need app. Oh, you know what? Because it was a require relative, right? So yeah, if I'm, oh jeez. Can I load such file? App models auction. What? Models auction. Okay, all right. You can't load this file. You're not gonna load this file right now. Let me see, what? Each file. Oh, maybe it's this. If it's a directory relative to the file that does the requiring. Oh my gosh. Okay. Based on oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Are you kidding? Oh wow. Look at that. Make a little noise. Okay. I also compulsively Control C, Control P. I have like a weird thing where I do it multiple times. I learned it from like my first boss ever. He just like mashed on the thing, and I was like, why are you copying like a million times? Okay, let me see. Models. Okay, let's try that. Let's try that. I don't like how this is chilling like that. Oh, there we go. That's much better. Okay. All right. This doesn't work. I quit. Programming. Oh, they don't work. Okay. All right, let me see. Models, auction. All right, it worked. Great. Amazing. And it has the foreign key. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, so this now is this. I'm going to go back to routes. I'm going to, oh, you know what? I'm not going to go back to, I'm going to go back to routes, but I'm going to open it vertically. I'm going to do R auctions. R is new, do get, right? Post. Ugh. Wish I had generators, you know? Okay, so this is gonna be auction. I think you can do mass assignment. I haven't done it. Auction, user, current user, new. I'm pretty sure you can do mass assignment. SQL mass assignment. Okay, is it a plugin? Let me guess. Is it a plugin? Take an action, model new, model create, model set, model update. Okay, you have an instance, model new. Oh, you know what? The problem with this is I need to use set fields. SQL has, which is designed to be used with untrusted inputs. Set model new, auction, set fields. And then I think I'm just gonna open this up and say name, details, yes, that's it, just name and details. And this is gonna be r.params. Auction, no, just r.params, right? Why not? Just why do you have that extra, don't do that extra thing. This is gonna be %I, of course, classic good Ruby, any good Rubyist will do this for the keywords, of course. Okay, so let me just make this auctions new. Open that up vertically. Now I've got 3 vertical things that I can't read. Let me close this thing. There we go. Let me make this bigger. Much better. Let me close that. Let me open this up again. Why did it do that? Auctions new. Okay, man, I cannot. I literally cannot. Oh, you know what? This is gonna be horizontal. I cannot spell auctions. Like, it's such a weird word to me. What is a different word for auction? Auction. Oh, you know what? I'll just look it in the dictionary. Auction. Deed. Act? No. He missed on the action. No, why is it auction? No. Auction, not action. What the heck? Oh, wow. Okay, so the Mac thesaurus is not any good Rubius. Yes, that's me. Alright, let me save this stupid thing. Whatever, I don't know. Auction's a weird word. I can't, even saying it, I'm like, what am I saying? If auction valid, else end, auction save, redirect to, whoops, redirect, yes, auctions path. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's sweet. What does that be? What? That's, okay, that was weird. Redirect auction path, otherwise, auctions new. Okay, so I think I do want to require a name, so I think I'm gonna have to rerun this. Default. No, it doesn't have a default, but it is null false. Do I care if it is unique? No, I don't. I just care that it's not null. So DCR, web, rake, db, roll, actually migrate. Oh, what was that weird? Oh, man. There's a rake task, arguments. Yeah, that was just so awkward. Yeah, this. Oh, horrible. Thanks, CSH. Appreciate it. What do I want to do? 2, right? Rake DB, migrate, SQL, database. No, migrations. Scheme. Oh, migrations. Is this music? I don't like this. I don't like this one. What is this? Falling down. Yeah, I don't like that. I just like this one. That's it. Just the one. Okay, what does it say? Transactions. Down. What is it? Rollback? Okay, will not roll back. Comes to run inside of a transaction. Blah blah blah. Okay, running migrations. SQL M migrations. Schema modification. No. Okay, this is not helping me. Connecting to the database might have it. Let me see. You know what? I'm just gonna do it. Let's just see what happens. 2, right? Because I'm on 3. So, or maybe I have to say 002? No, I think I just say 2. And then hopefully it'll roll back. Oh my gosh. It'd be nice if I actually said migrate. Let me see. Migrations. M, SQL, migration. Okay, integrator, M0. Migration start at 1, not 0. The migration version number is important. Oh dang it, I just did a damn migrate on that stupid thing. Alright, let me see. Did it work? Let's see. Annotate. It's null false. That would be great. That would be great. I would appreciate it greatly. Auction. Yes, it worked. Incredible. Not null. Amazing. Thank you, Jeremy Evans. Appreciate it. Didn't have to do it myself. Okay, so this is gonna be name. Name. And this is going to be text. Is that what it is? I don't even remember. Name is name. This is going to be 4. And this is going to be here. And it's going to be details. And it's going to be a text area. Text area has a name, which is details. Details? What is details? Probably don't want to call it details. Probably want to call it a description. Description. Autofocus is not true. There is no play. This is great. This item is amazing. Okay. That's good. Submit button. Text point. Send for free. Don't really need to be save. I don't care about cancel. You can just click away. I don't care about this either. All right, that's looking good. Let's see what it looks like. Actions new. Okay, that's looking bad. That's looking horrible, actually. It's looking real bad. Oh, wow. That's probably the worst thing I've ever made, actually, now I think about it. Flex center. I don't want flex center. I don't want that. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, that's better. But I think max width, MD, EMX auto. It's not sign up. No, MD's even too big. Small. Okay, that looks a little better. It is definitely not sign up. New auction. Is it a real placeholder if you don't use ellipses? That's true though. Let me see. This item is amazing. There we go. Oh, this is not supposed to be an email. Item. There we go. Look at that. Perfect. Although this thing is freaking out. Now that I look at this is not good. This needs that. Thanks, Markaby. Really appreciate it. Thanks for all that you do. Okay, better. It's definitely not the... You know what? What is wrong with this? What is wrong with it? Why is this like this? Oh, I see. Has autofocus true, but it's never like unfocused? That's weird. Input. Maybe I have some style on input. Let me see. Input. Background none. Oh, that's weird. Input focus. Outline none. What else? Input. Background color. Oh, this is for the... Oh. Input type text. Text area. Do I want it to be? Do I want... I don't mind that it doesn't have a color, I guess. I don't really care about that. But text area should be in here. Input, where else is input? Okay, that's weird. Why is it, what is it doing? What is this? Are the assets not compiling? Every time. Oh yeah, look at that, it's the same. Oh, there it is. Now it's working. All right, it was cached. It's always the cache. This needs more spacing, right? Between these two. Does that not work? Spacing. VStack. Is that another thing? Oh, it's the same. Jeez. What? Oh, hey Luda. Oh, my dog just came in here. Oh, yep, she's whining. All right. Let's see. Oh my gosh, 9:45. I have to get it. I just want to save this thing, and then that's it. Save auction. Okay. So item has a name. Actually, you know what? I do want it to be a little, to make it a little more like you selected it, I guess. Let me see. In dark mode. Man, I wish, sometimes I hate SAS and the complexity that comes with it, but sometimes, you know, sometimes gray 600, is that what I did? Yeah. Yeah, I don't, that's not terrible. This is okay. Let me see, name, baby carrier 1. Description, you need to collect this pronto. Okay. So before I just watch it fail, let me just make sure. Auction new, name details, right? Did I keep the details name on that? Auctions new. Oh, I named it description, even though it's named details. Okay, let me see. I feel like I should just rename it to description. Real quick. Description. And then here, description. Okay, let me do this one more time. Starts at 2. Direct migrate 2. It's weird to roll back with like a particular one. Like maybe I should make the rig task roll back and then it just finds the latest one or something. I don't know. Let's see if it worked. Auction models. Does it have? Oh, I need to annotate. Okay. All right. Annotate. Annotate. It is still called details. That's not good. That's not great. What if I just delete this and then run annotate again? Oh, you know what? Because I did TB migrate 3? Edit? Okay, yeah, it's definitely still called details. Oh, I didn't change the migration. Jeez. Wow. That's you know what? That's great. That is great. That's amazing. That's amazing that I did not do that. Okay, now I will annotate, and now it will work. Okay. Okay, auction, description, perfect. Back to routes. Okay, auctions valid, save, redirect, auctions path. I should actually loop through auctions. Each do auction. We'll just make it a quick UL auction name. Okay, perfect. So if I go to, if I save this now, and I look at routes, I see the post here. I see the post. Is it gonna work? Is this going to work? Oh, I just kicked the camera. Is this? Oh wow, it doesn't like that. Okay, so is this gonna work? That is the question. First time. Is it gonna work first time? No, probably not. Let's save it. All right. Well, there it is. Undefined name. Undefined method name. Did you mean name? Yeah. That's confusing. Can I not use name here? Undefined method name. Did you mean? Yes, I did. What? Okay, I think I found like a weird thing where you can't use name as a column. I'm pretty sure anyway. Let me see. Okay, title. I could call it title. Set fields. Okay, I think. Let me not use set fields. Let me just do this. Auction name equals r.params name, and then description. Just to double check my hunch. Which, if I was Jeremy Evans and I was writing this web framework, because I just wrote one, I would do the exact same thing. I would just say, you know what? Who cares? Yep, that is what happened. That is hilarious. Okay, that actually, okay. Ooh, wow. All right, well, so much for set fields. You know what, though? I will say, you know what? That's not bad. That's not horrible. Do they need to be keywords? Yeah, it's possible. Maybe I need this to be strings. Yeah, maybe I need that to be strings. Maybe it's me. I'm the one who did it. I did it. If there's only one method, I think you just use RIS, right? And then it doesn't matter if it's a post, because I don't really care. I think this will work. Limit 30. Order created at. Oh, you know what? SQL desk. That's one thing I don't like about that, is that I can't use a hash. Like, cool. That is fat. That is a fat auctions. That. Oh, I'm zoomed in. Okay, so this is dark text white. Whoa, 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 Nelly. Oh, you know what? Yeah, and we'll just do span. Okay, there we go. That's better. Cool. Auctions. I'm just gonna put this in a thing real quick. 952. Running out of time. Spacing. Large? Could be. Could be. Okay. That did not do anything. That's great. Amazing. I love when that happens. Just nothing happens. What is that? Isn't that a thing? Oh, it is spacing large. Yeah. Okay, so that is definitely doing nothing. Spacing large. Margin bottom spacing large. For rem. Okay, great. That's incredible. Do span class, dark text white, H1, oh, do. All right, there it is. There, it's working. All right. So this needs to obviously be like a list instead, which, what was I doing? What am I thinking? What am I thinking? Actually, what did I do? Let's see what I did for ping, which still isn't open source. I mean, it does not matter because no one cares. Let me see. Watchers. I thought that list looked pretty good, honestly. What was it? List. Okay, yeah, this looks good. Div. I just said list. I wish it was a div class. Everything's a div. All divs all the time. H stack. Okay, that's fine. I don't really care about that. It doesn't have to be it could just be a div. Cool. Yeah, that looks better, I feel like. But the rounded thing is not there, so I will add that. Media again. No, there's no more media. What was it? Min width or something? I don't know what it is. Min width, the 480 or something. What did I call it? MD. Rounded LG. Border radius. There. Yeah, this is actually only 5 lines. Oh man, max width or something? 480, well, let's say min width 481. This is XS, right? Is that what I called it? Rounded? None? I should really just run NPM and do all these things. There, now it's rounded. That's looking great. That is square. That is a square right there. This is all padded. Do I care? No, it's fine for now. Okay, so layout needs... Never got the new auction thing? Is that a thing? Oh, it doesn't have new auction. Yes. This needs more spacing. Better. Yeah. Okay. One more. I'm curious about set fields. I am super curious. Hopefully it will work with strings. Yes, hopefully one more description. Oh, no, no. Dang it. Stupid set fields. That stinks. I really want that to work. Set fields, which are designed to be used with untrusted. These methods take untrusted hash, untrusted field names. So you can't. This is his own framework, and I'm passing in his own params to this. Wow, wow, that stinks. Yeah. Yep. Maybe there's something I must be missing. Like, this needs to work, right? This has to work. Yeah, if you want to change mass assignment so it ignores attempts to... Do they need to be I think they need to be keywords. Roda, hash, or params. Params is keywords. Oh man, if I... symbol. Oh, they're keywords, not symbols. Symbols, that's what they call them. A plugin that you have to have another person wrote this, Janko. I don't know if I want that. I don't really want that too much. Yeah, that stinks. You know what? I'm just gonna say, I'm gonna try it. The mass assignment thing. What does it say? SQL model strict param setting is true. Wait. You can do strict param setting false. It can't in some cases. If you're dealing restrict. Yeah. Set fields. This is okay. What if what's Ruby? Change all the keys to symbols. Yeah. Transform keys. Oh, there's a gem to do that? That's madness. That is madness. Okay, so params, right? We'll just say r.params. There it is. And I can do that for all things, but I'll just do this for now. Okay, so let me try this one more time. Let me just do it without the percent. Let me just do that. Oh, you know what? That's why the percent didn't work. Because I have this, and I have a comma, but you don't want a comma, right? You want just a space. Oh my goodness, it was my fault the whole time. I should have never doubted Jeremy Evans. But I think I could do it with strings too. I don't think they need to be symbols. Okay, let me try one more time. Yes. Oh my gosh, I'm a dummy. All right, it's working. 9:59. That is it for the stream. I definitely got that working. That's not bad. It's not terrible. We got stuff going on. Oh, you know what? I should push this. I found a doubter. It's my fault the whole time. Dang it. Seriously, I cannot doubt the greatness that is Jeremy Evans. How come I can't? Can I not do this? There. Okay. Let me add the git update ignores. I have multiple ignore files. Let me see. You'll find me too. Is that true? Let me see. Roda Google Group. Let's see. Oh. Wait, that's not you, is it? I don't think so. Oh, here we go. Is that you? Is that you out there? Let me see. Well, looking into Roda, I noticed that I was able to remove several instance. The shame. Let me see. Your second link inside of Roda, and only calling subclassing Roda. Yeah. But you may want to ask, why is it this way instead of implying? Dang, you got told, man. You got told. That's alright. It happens, you know. He's a nice guy. He seems like a really nice guy. Even though he probably gets this all the time. Like, you can fit Crystal. You even brought up Crystal. Oh, you can't bring up a whole other language. Oh man, that's all right. Migrations. Can I actually add that? Models. Oh, you know what? Let me add the models. Okay, cool. So add P. What did I change in the rake file? Oh, yeah. Let me just add auctions. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to split up my commits so it looks a little better, but not that it matters. No one goes through the commit history anyway. Fix, annotate. Fix is probably the worst. Let me see. Dir file join, dir models, each require file. Yeah, that's okay. Require all models in directory. I should have said fix. I still don't know who is right. I just gave up since it didn't matter. Oh yeah, you read the commits. Since I just gave up at that point, so yeah. Yeah, I mean, yeah. I want to like every time I look at Crystal, I'm like, yes, this is what I've been waiting for. But I also hate static typing, so it's not really. But yeah, this is, I mean, it is nice. Like, I'm looking at it, it's nice. Like, Lucky looks good. But yeah, I just can't bring myself to do it. But I guess if I have a watcher and it auto compiles on change, it's the same and restarts the server. It's probably, as long as the compiling is fast enough, it's probably the same experience. I did a lot of stuff here, but I'm just gonna lump it all together. Add views, add dark mode and auctions views. Actually, let me just make sure I didn't break anything in the non-dark mode. Dark mode. Not really what I was going for with the list, but you know, whatever. Let me see. Let's go to the home. Oh, that is home, right? I forgot. Okay. Let me do this. Dark mode. Oh wow, when you oh, that's not good. Oh, you know what? Yeah, what the heck? What did I do? What did I do with this? What's wrong with this? How did I break this? Frame. How did I break this? What did I do? Elements? Is this it's just an iframe. Oh, you know what? It's probably because I wrapped everything. No, it's fine. Do I do root? Body? I mean, it looks like it's doing okay, but then it's definitely not doing okay. Where's the input? Huh. Yeah, definitely broke this somehow. Let me see. Layout. Current user, div. Oh, it's probably this. I probably don't want to do that. If I get rid of that. Yep, that's what it was. Okay, I don't want to do this forever. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? This is what I'm gonna do. What is this? Lucky Styleable. Scoped CSS for your Lucky HTML pages and components. Shards, Lucky Styleable. Include the module and the component you want to style. Render. Oh, yeah, this is sick. Styles header title. Wait, is this good? Oh yeah, style tag. Oh, you match the CSS file to the same path as the component. Interesting. Oh, maybe you don't. Does it not matter? Yeah, this is cool because you just call the class, right? Styles. Maybe you do. Maybe you have to. Does it say? No, it doesn't say. Scope CSS. Interesting. Yeah, that's cool. Right next to the crystal class, it can also be inlined in the crystal directory with here docs. That's perfect. I love that. I hate files. I'm on a war. I'm on a file war. I hate all files. Destroy all files. If current user else and okay, so this is gonna be tricky, but it is not broken. You know what? No, this sucks. That blows. I'm just gonna yeah. Auctions. Max with LG MX Auto or something. Let me see. Yeah. With the P4. Yeah. And then new auction. That's fine. I can deal with this. Okay, and then dark mode. Yes, nice. All right, that's fine. Let me see. Go. Don't do that. I almost said fix again. I did actually fix though. Fix the no. You know what I did? I actually moved the max width out of layout. That's what I did. Okay. Yeah, sweet. So that's it. And that's it. It's done. Like you push it, and then render will either break and deploy the thing or not. We will see live on the thing right now. We will see. And then I will close the stream because it is 10:08 and my CPU's at 165. All right. Deploy started. Okay. Okay, it's in progress. Yeah. Here docs. You know what though? Roda inline. Markedly here docs. I wonder. No matches. You know what? Roda inline templates. Oh, here docs. Someone actually here docs. Someone had done that before me. Let's see. Inline templates. What if I just do Roda render? Let me see. Inline. The base name default disk can be provided as a hash or inline options. Render view. This is so funny because I use the same names. I mean, everyone does, I feel like, right? We're all like in the... yeah, I don't know, dude. Let's experiment with the scope CSS. I copied a branch of view component. Yeah, that's cool. Oh, it got deployed. Well, that's cool. Let me go to the thing. Yeah, not bad. Cool. Let me see. Actually, you know what? This I need to. This does not send email. I gotta figure that out. Let's see. Logs. Sucker Punch job error. Oh, SMTP requested but missing secret phrase. Yeah, no kidding. Yeah, I gotta fix the. Actually, you know what? Can I shell into this thing? How do I get to the database though? PC1. Can I do that? No, I can't do that. How do I do it? Environment? No. Oh. Trial expired. Yep. Let me see. Databases? Oh, maybe if I click on this, then I could get in there. Can I get in there? Oh man, what the heck? Render. Console. No, render. We'll just say Rails console. Oh my gosh. Rendered. Jeez. .com. Okay. Jeez. No Heroku run Rails C. It's so true though. Let me see. Create a database. How do you get in there? How do you get in the console? Maybe you can't. I'm sure you can. Let me see. I'm in this shell. Oh, I can connect to it locally. Man, that's lame. That's super lame. I want to be in this. I want to be. Let me see. Rack console. Oh. Okay, cool. That's me, right? Maybe I was just overthinking it. User. Okay, so the token is here. Well, that's a weird token. I don't know if I like that. Okay, let's see. Stupid. Login. Sweet. I'm making the first. Just what did Jack Dorsey say? Jack Dorsey first tweet. What did he say? About just setting up my Twitter. So stupid. I'm just testing and just setting an auction. Just testing an auction. There we go. This is the oh, you know what? This you don't even need a description. Nice. It works live. Cool. All right, that's it for the stream. I am mostly tired, but also thirsty. So I will. I will be back on Thursday unless something comes up because I have to do work on my chimney. There's something wrong with it, so I have to fix it. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that Thursday, but yeah. The direct link works to render, but if you go to service, it's gone. Well, there it is. Don't do that. All right, that's it. See ya. Can I stop this? Oh yeah.